Hi everybody. I wanted to show you what I was doing to interface my Node MCU ESP8622 to the HX711 load cell driver. Here what we've done is we've assigned D0 and D1 to be the serial clock and the data. The orange wire, as you can see, goes in for the data. The white wire goes in for the serial clock, and the D0 and D1 lines are being defined in the sketch. What we do in here is we wire this up to a standard load cell, and what I have next to the load cell is a 50-gram weight. What we've got over here is a printout of the weight as a function of time. It hasn't properly tared, so it looks like it's off by a fraction of a gram. What I'll do here is I'll just hold the weight in my hand, thusly, and then that's a 50-gram weight, and we can see what's registering on the scale over here, and it's about well, it seems to be a little variance there, but it's about 50 grams. Thereabouts. And so that's the scale. To look at the sketch, you can see it over in here. All I did was I assigned D out to be D0 and clock to be D1, and then I hooked up the voltage 5 volts and ground as normal. Then set up the scale and set up my units, and then printed the results. And that's it. That's how you do a scale on the ESP8622. Hope you like my little video. Thanks a bunch. Bye-bye.